Strategy MSTR under heavy pressure. MSTR is sliding as traders react to its tight correlation with Bitcoin's latest drop. Community chatter is heating up, with some calling it undervalued, while others claim it's a leverage on Bitcoin scam. There's growing talk about potential liquidation levels and how much downside exposure Michael Saylor's strategy really has if Bitcoin keeps sliding. Meanwhile, insider activity is adding fuel to the debate. EVP and General Counsel Shao Wei-Ming just sold 10,668 shares, prompting mixed reactions across the market. Some traders are watching key support zones for a possible bounce, while others expect a deeper correction if Bitcoin doesn't stabilize soon. By the way, what do you think? Is MSTR a deep value Bitcoin play or a risky bet that's losing its edge?
Okay, as you can see, it is down 6.43%. This is Thursday, the 13th of November, 2025. Yeah, underlying trend has now gone bearish. Lower prices expect to keep printing all the way towards the 21st of November. Then by, yes, 21st of November is a Friday. Then by Monday, the 23rd, a slight bounce is expected to play out on Bitcoin. Let's see what we have. A bounce is expected this weekend. Yeah, and they're expected to hold at least up till the 5th of September. But the 40-day moving average is expected to be a resistance. Yeah, so yeah, if that is, and that resistance, it is posing for Bitcoin is expected to begin. Okay, this is the market cap, but it's pretty much the same thing. Let's see, US. Let's try Coinbase. Yeah, okay, that resistance from the 40-day moving average is expected to begin from now. So Bitcoin is not expected to trade beyond the space here. Beyond the space here, not anytime soon. Not anytime soon. Okay, but momentum is expected to keep building from from to from tomorrow. Tomorrow from tomorrow the 14th. Yeah, expect momentum is expected to keep building. Let's see whether that is the case for MSTR. Momentum, yeah, yeah. Okay, well, momentum is not expected to begin to be. It's declining now. So momentum for MSTR is decaying. So it's expected to remain in place that way up till Wednesday the 19th from the 20th. Yeah, the a bounce yeah, momentum may begin to pick up, and then a bounce might pick up from the 24th. Okay, so the peak of the momentum will be sometime around the 4th of December. These are just extrapolations. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. Okay, so just as in the case of Bitcoin, this the 40-day moving average is encapsulating, and indeed the 3-day moving average, if you like, the 40-day moving average is providing a seal, yeah, from yeah, providing a seal against any breakout. But it could still change as well. A lot can still happen. Projections on MSTR is saying 258.60 as of now. And it's a pivotal projection. If it does break above 257, then it can go ahead and test 269.557 and maybe begin to walk towards 296.14. Okay, so the probability of it retesting 242.07 is very high, more than 50%. Sometimes when the probabilities are very high, they don't print, they don't turn out to be the case in a very short time. Yeah, probability of it retesting 254 is also very high as well, very high. Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that, if you look over here, when I remove the cursor, you see here that the moving average is greater than the target. So let's try again. 4242, you can see here that moving average is 262. So yeah, it will be greater than 50%. For 255, it is 272. Yeah. For 270, it's 283. For 296, it's less now. It's less now. So the probability of it retesting 296 is less. But these, I think, what is, if you like, in a very short time, this may not. It might, even though they've statistically, it's saying that it's very high, highly likely. But well, you never know. Three resistances, three rejection points, three. Yeah, if you like, they are equal to projections. Three resistances, indicating that it's highly likely that they can be retested. We'll see. And interestingly enough, in between all of them, we now have this pivotal projection of 257.74. We'll see. We'll see in the short term what's going to happen. Let's see the 4 hour chart. Here, lower prices expect to keep playing out, and the 40 period moving average is equally providing a staunch resistance as well. Lower prices up till the 20th of November. Yeah, momentum is expected to begin to build up from tomorrow midday tomorrow. Okay, so but the no bounce is expected up till no bounce is expected from until Thursday the 20th. But you'll see, it's a mix of things. Momentum is expected to build up, but no uptrend, no bounce. Okay, we'll see, but we'll see how it goes. Nothing to the upside here, but previously we had up to 246.07, 256.12, 262.3, 262.33. Indeed, also there are downward projections. We have 116.26, 135.91, 167.71. So it's important that I point out those downward projections as well. Yeah. So let's see whether Bitcoin has the same extrapolation as well. Okay, here is we have a quick bounce is expected by midnight by 11 p.m. New York time today, but the 40 day moving average is also expected to become a resistance as well, a primary supply line when it closes. If it closes there, if it turns out to be like this, then it's going to serve as a primary supply line, meaning that if it closes within one standard deviation, more selling will ensue. So yeah, okay, not doesn't really correlate sufficiently. Here is a bounce is expected anytime soon in a few hours, but I'm not really on for MSTR as things stand right now. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't look like a very heavy day for anyway. It doesn't. It's not exactly the most active of stocks. Doesn't really trade that many volumes. That doesn't trade that many shares. Only it's gradually approaching its 50-day average as we count down to the close of today's trading session. So have a look and see what you make of MSTR. And thank you very much for watching this video.